Hi everyone, welcome to Story Time with Vigyata, and I'm here to take you with me into the land of stories, imagination, fun and creativity. So buckle up your seatbelts as we enter the world of stories. And today the story I'm going to tell you is about a little tiger who says, I don't want to go to bed. Once upon a time, there was a tiger baby cub who always said, I don't want to go to bed, I don't want to sleep, I want to play whole night long. His mama was tired explaining him that he must sleep on time. But he would not listen. One day when Mama Tiger said, it's bedtime, you must sleep, the baby tiger said, no, I don't want to sleep. I don't want to go to bed. I don't want to sleep at all. I want to play whole night long. This time, the mama tiger got a little upset and she roared. All right then, you can stay up whole night long. How happy was Tiger listening to Mama's deal. Quickly he ran into the jungle before his mama could make him sleep. He ran and he ran and he went to his first best friend. He went to the baby lion cub, and as he went, he saw that baby lion cub was getting his ears cleaned. Dada lion growled, why are you up so late in the night, tiger? You must go to bed. To that, the baby tiger said, no, I don't want to sleep. I don't want to go to bed. I want to play whole night long. And before the daddy lion could put him off to bed with his friend, he ran into the jungle. The tiger decided to tiptoe further into the jungle. He went ahead to meet his second best friend, the little hippo. As he went ahead, he saw he was not going to play. He was already in the river taking a bath to sleep. Oh, was the reaction when the tiger saw his second best friend. He is taking a bath. He is getting ready to sleep. What do I do? Meanwhile, Mama Hippo bellowed, hey little tiger, what are you doing here so late in the night? You must go and go off to sleep. To that, the tiger said, no, I don't want to sleep. I don't want to go to bed. I want to play whole night long. And he ran to the jungle before Mama Hippo could catch him. The little tiger was a brave one and was not scared at all, so he decided to march and go ahead to meet some of his other friends. Next he wanted to meet was his third best friend, the little elephant. As he went there, oh my God, what did he see? He saw the baby Ellie sleeping next to Mummy. And what were they doing? They were listening to bedtime stories. On looking at the tiger, the mama elephant trumpeted, oh my dear Tiggy Tiger, what are you doing here so late in the night? You must go to bed and listen to some bedtime stories. To that, the tiger says, oh no, I don't want to go to bed and I don't want to go to sleep. All I want to do is play all night long. And he ran into the jungle further deep inside before Mama Ellie could catch him. Then he started to miss his friends. He started to think, oh, lion is cleaning his ears, hippo is taking a bath, elephant is listening to his story. Now what do I do and where do I go? Then he thought, let me go and meet my fourth best friend, Monkey. And he quickly ran. And there came Mama Monkey to stop him. And she said, shh. The tiger became quiet. He asked, I want to play with my friend Monkey. The mama said, but he's already sleeping, you see. what are you doing so late in the night? You must go home and go to sleep." To that, the tiger said, "I don't want to sleep. I don't want to go to bed. I want to play whole night long." And he went from there. But now you see, the tiger is getting tired. It's getting cold in the night. It's getting dark in the night. And he is now feeling sleepy. In between all of this, something glue. Oh my God, what is that? Two big orange bright eyes. Who is looking at the tiger? Oh, that's the bush baby. He looks at the tiger and says, "What are you doing so late in the night?" The tiger says, "I don't want to go to bed and I'm not scared of you." Bush baby said, "I know you're not scared of me, but you see, I stay up whole night and sleep when the sun rises." That's the case, but I don't want to sleep. I don't want to go to bed. To that, the bush baby said, "It's pretty dark in the jungle. I will get you back home. Follow me then." The bush baby in no time started to run. Tiger was very scared now and he did not want it to wait all alone, so he decided to follow the bush baby and tiptoe first went the bush baby and tiptoe followed the tiger, and in no time the tiger reached his cave with sleepy eyes and he dragged himself inside, where his mama looked at him and said, "Oh, there you are, right in time to sleep." The tiger looked at mama and said, "But I don't. And he went off to sleep. Mama, before could turn around and say a thank you to the bush baby, the bush baby had vanished. She picked up the tiger in his hand, the baby tiger, and put him to bed. And next day morning, when the tiger woke up, he decided to not trouble Mama at bedtime. He promised his Mama that every day he would clean himself, he would bathe himself, listen to his bedtime story and go off to sleep on time. So children, I hope you too make a promise to your mamas and follow all the good habits. I hope you enjoyed listening to this story about Tiger and his fun adventures. Looking forward to seeing all of you very soon with lots of love from me to you. Bye-bye.